Hello guys and welcome to this channel Programming Fever. In this video I will show you new Python project that is Student Feedback Sentiment Analysis Tool. So let me show you its demo first. So as you can see in the video, a student can give the feedback using feedback panel and admin can test and train data and can check the result on dashboard. Moreover, you can see we used Excel sheet to store student feedback and pass those student feedback data to machine learning algorithm. So this project is created in Django and the objective of this tool is to provide a feedback dashboard where the student can give the feedback to their university or to their teachers. Now let me show you its code. So you can see its code. Now let me show you its report and PPT. So if you want this project source code, report and PPT, then contact me on Instagram, Programming Fever. I will give you link in the description, you can check it. So if you like this video, then hit the like button for me and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.